Do you want to learn how to create an elegant and puristic lettering? In this video, I'll show you how you can create the perfect monoline lettering with ease. Have fun! For creating monoline letterings, you need a pen with a firm tip in contrast to a brush pen. It can be a pencil or fineliner, but it also works with any other pen. I used the Tri-Plus fiber tip pen for this. You can also find a list of the materials I used in the description box below. The difficulty with the monoline is to get the letters evenly spaced. The spacing must be correct, because monoline font is so puristic, any mistake would be noticed immediately. For this reason, we make small placeholders so that the spacing is correct in any case. For example, let's write the word monoline together. It has 8 letters, so we make 8 little placeholders. First, we write the word monoline without connection. Then it looks like this. Each letter should be the same height and the space between the letters should be harmonious. Second, we write the word monoline with connected letters. This is how we do it. We draw 8 little placeholders and connect the letters so that we have a written typeface. It looks like monoline is made of a single line, but it's still important to lift the pen from the sheet between the letters. Third, we can visually pull apart the monoline font so that it will take up more space in the lettering. To do this, we place the placeholders a little bit further apart. The rest of the procedure is the same. Of course, you can do the placeholders with a graphite pencil so you can erase it. You have to wait until it's completely dry to erase the graphite pencil away, not to smudge your lettering. At the end of the lettering, you can of course also insert a decorative elements. For example, here you can spice it up with a little heart. And to make the lettering in the front look harmonious to the playful finish, we just add a little playful stroke. Would you like to practice this lettering style with the help of alphabets? In STAEDTLER Hand Lettering Creator, you can create your own alphabets and download the sheets for free. You can find the link to this great tool in the description box below. Here you can see some examples of how you can use monoline in a finished lettering. Monoline font can be used for not so important words as and, the, also, or something like this. I hope you had fun and learned something from this video. Please check out the other videos for more hand lettering techniques. If you participated in this art class, I would be very happy to see your results on Instagram. Please use the hashtag #MyDesignJourney.